Hi there, welcome again to one of the videos. Today, stock market is down. It looks weak, it's red. And it's actually the perfect time for me to teach you something very important. Okay? Whenever we own any stock or couple of stocks, okay, and we see market down, obviously our stock will also react. Some stocks will react less, some stocks will react more. Depends upon how is the strength of your stock. If your stock is strong, chances are that market may remain weak, but the stock may not go up, but at least will remain there. If a stock is weak, there are chances that if market goes down, the stock will go down further. Correct? You understand the difference between strong stock and the weak stock? Correct? That's not the topic today. The topic is, if I am owning the stocks and the market is going down, what do I do in this situation? Or for that matter, if I have cash in hand and if market is going down, when do I buy a stock? Or when do I top up a stock, if at all I'm interested in topping up the stock? Very, very important concept. Let me just explain you through a graph and then we discuss how do we solve this problem. So this is a typical stock chart, okay? A strong stock typically behave like this. Typically a strong stock behave like this. It will be uptrending, it will make higher highs and higher lows. All right, strong stock. Why these falls happen? This fall, this fall, this fall, this fall. Why these fall happen? These falls will happen because market may become weak for some time. And if market is weak, a stock will also go down. But it will not go down so much that the trend, which is the uptrend, will change and become a downtrend. What is the formula of confirming a downtrend? When this low will get breached and stock again makes high and the high is lower than this high, that means the uptrend is negated. Are you with me? Are you understanding? Yeah, if you're understanding, pass a comment on this comment window that yes, I am understanding. Please do that. Because I want you to be with me always when I'm teaching you from basic to advanced, whatever degree. And even if it sounds basic to you, please focus because at times in basic also we find things which we don't know, right? So this is a typical behavior of a stock. So when a stock goes down, it can be because of market, it can be because of some supply pressure which has come for any reason in that stock, and that supply pressure could be weak hearts going out. So in a strong stock, small correction means weak hearts are going out. A strong stock becoming a weak stock, that means the trend is changing, that means heavy hearts are going out of that stock. All right, this is perfect. Now let's go further and discuss things in detail now. What do I do if I own any stock and the stock is showing me weakness because of the market? Now let's take some example. Let's take, say, Anand Rathi Wealth. I mean, just as an example, there is no, or this stock is actually a strong stock. It is going up. It's 5% strong. So let's forget that stock. Let's say, for example, let's take a look at the stock CDSL. Okay, just for an example's sake, I'm taking CDSL. No recommendations at all. Okay. Suppose we own this stock and the stock is down 2.4% today. Okay. If we look at the score, the momentum score in the stock, it was from green, it has come to yellow. You remember the traffic light? Green, yellow, right? Huh? In short term, the stock has come into yellow zone, not the red zone, yellow zone. In mid-term, 3 months, it is in a green zone. And in 6 month zone, it is in a green zone. That means the stock is principally strong. Okay. And maybe the stock is correcting a bit because of market. Because what is happening today in the market? Look at the market. Today the market is down. Minus 179 points. Nifty is down. Probably that's the reason CDSL is also down. Right? I'm not saying that CDSL will for sure recover from here. No. possibly there is something which is going on in this segment that this stock is correcting and may correct for some more time, and finally all the momentum scores can go down. Okay, what do you do in this situation? Well, for sure, how I do it, I don't know whether you will be comfortable doing this, but if you have a stock and if you are playing momentum, possibly the stock may go down. You have to keep patience. You have to hold it till the momentum in the stock is intact. Okay. Now, if my objective of this trade in the stock was for a longer swing, like for example CDSL, if I suppose have participated in this stock for a longer swing, then even if this is showing me weakness, I should not get distracted. Actually, the price is not the right thing to see all the time. When you are looking at price all the time, you're actually questioning yourself that is the stock right? Is the stock right? Is the stock right? Don't do that. Okay? There may be possibilities that you may incur loss for the day. High chance that you will not incur, because if you look at the entire portfolio, there will be some stocks which will be strong, which will not fall. There will be some stocks which will be weak, which will be fall. But if you look at the overall market impact in your portfolio, probably can get negated and it may not be red, right? But when you look at one single stock price all the time, it will create doubt in your mind that, oh my God, this will fall. Oh my God, this will fall. I hope you're getting my point. Stop seeing the price. If you have not taken the trade based on price, so if I have taken the trade based on this momentum indicator, then my decision to exit a stock should be from this indicator. Okay. Now, I always say this to everyone that finally I need good sleep. I'm in market for peace. I'm in market to make money. I'm in market for prosperity. For me, sleep is as important as anything. So if any stock is giving you sleepless nights, अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, आपको नींद नहीं आ रही है, and you are getting disturbed by any stock, then you can do a staggered participation in any stock. That if suppose CDSL momentum score in shorter tenure comes to red, I will book half profit or position. I will just clear my half position and carry my other half position based on the indicator which has helped me to participate in this stock. Are you with me on this? Yeah. If you have position already, then you do this. Let's take some other stock example, okay? Just let's go to trending stock. Let's go to stocks which are falling. Losers, let's see CAMS, okay? Just like we saw CDSL, let's see CAMS. So CAMS, fallen by 3%. Obviously, if you look at the price, what do I do? What do I do? You will be nervous, right? That is what I'm saying. Don't be nervous. Don't look at the price. If we have bought CAMS, let's see the CAMS, is it momentum green? For longer swing it's green, for medium swing it's already yellow, for 1 month swing it was red and it is emerging yellow. What will I do? The moment this becomes red, 1 month becomes red, I will square half of my position and I'll sit with other half. Why? Because my medium long swing is still in a green zone, right? Now, there could be one more aspect to this discussion, which is, can I buy at a lower level? If it is green and if the price is retracing, can I buy at a lower level? Surely you can buy. If you are a retracement trader, that means you love to buy at a lower level, you can buy, okay? Because the momentum is strong, when the price is falling and the momentum is still green, you can add a small quantity here, okay, because you are a retracement trader. If you are a breakout trader, you wait for the stock to give fresh breakout before you participate. So you have to decide. Are you a breakout trader or you are a retracement trader. These are two different signs one need to understand. A breakout person will wait for the price breakout. And typically, if you're looking at the daily chart, you actually move to a 2-hourly chart and see if there is a breakout happening in 2-hourly chart, you participate. Okay. So mother, daughter, father, son. So your father will help you to take a decision whether you want to participate or not, and your son will, which is a lower duration chart, will give you a hint. Yes, breakout is happening, participate. If you are a breakout trader, if you are a retracement trader, you wait for the price to retrace with a lot of patience. And when the retracement comes, you participate with a small quantity. Never go all in. Never go all in, because you don't know whether retracement can continue for some more time, and finally the momentum score will become negative and you will have to book loss. So better start with small quantity. If you have to add small quantity, because momentum score is still positive. I hope you are getting this concept clear. Now, as a portfolio, how do you do this? Once you have your own portfolio, the best way to deal with this is, let's say example, this is your portfolio. These are the portfolio stocks you are having. We added a couple of these stocks when we discussed last time. These are the portfolio stocks we are having. You go to stock scores here and look at this. This is the perfect way to take a decision of your portfolio. Which stock, if I ask you which stock I will exit partially and totally, probably Adani Total Gas, Minda Corp, I will exit because they are in a red zone. Yellow, stay alert, something is going to happen. Green, I have no problem, I will continue. So ideally what you should do, square up these trades and add in these stocks, because momentum in these stocks are green. The traffic light, green, yellow, red. I hope this is clear, right? So have a portfolio approach. Even if market is going down, don't look at the stock price and get distracted. The moment you have a portfolio approach and your momentum decision is shifting one trade to the other trade, weak to strong, you have arrived at this state of nirvana, and the stress level of participation in market will be far, far lower and controlled. You will not get distracted by Nifty, Bank Nifty and other indices which are bothering you, which are not helping you in your journey. Alright, thank you ये वीडियो देखने के लिए. I hope you guys like all my videos and share it with your friends and family, and first time, subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Jai Hind.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.